Alright, so we're here at Copart. This is the app. So we got for the auction that's nearby us, which in this case is Austin, Texas. There it is. So they usually have 1, 2, or 3 lanes, which they call an A, B, or C. They tell you how many cars are in the lot and at what time does it start, 12 p.m. Central Time. They have many more on the same day and all over the country. So we're gonna go into lane A in Texas, just cause I have a feeling about lane A. You never really know. Lane A is usually bad cars. Lane C, it could be more of a totaled, wrecked, or others like a trailer or like different things that sell as well, not just cars. Maybe motorcycles or something. So once you log in, you start seeing this section, which is where you can bid, and you see the cars going through it. Sorry, my internet is kind of slow here, but yeah, you can just bid anywhere, basically with your cell phone in the app. You look at images, look at the information of the vehicle. The R stands for run and drive, which means that it's good to go. You can run it. It doesn't overheat or nothing. They don't really thoroughly check it, but it does give you a nice baseline of if you're gonna be able to drive the vehicle. So this one, it just looks like it's a door and a little bit of a rear quarter panel. But yeah, I didn't see it. I haven't checked it out. This is just the first car that pops up. Yeah, it looks like it's going for $675 so far. The auction hasn't started yet. It says it starts in 25 minutes. So once it starts, people are able to instantly add to that minimum bid. I think it goes by $50 every time you bid on it, and then like $100 after the first 1,000 are reached. So it goes higher, higher. It goes higher faster, the higher the price is. So yeah, this is the lot. When you select on this little lot on the corner, it should tell you all the vehicles are on this lot right here. This is the Mini Coopers, this is for the Explorers, all kinds of vehicles. Some of them are really crashed, some of them have nothing on them. It's just up to you to go and look at them. In this case, I didn't go look at the cars this weekend, but oh wow, this nice Beamer. So you can just click on it and check it out, see what the problem was on it, if it runs, if it drives, how many miles, and all that. So right now I just clicked on it. Sorry, my internet is kind of slow. I don't know how the audio is gonna be on this as well, but alright, so it looks good. It does have a salvage. Oh, I see. It was hit in the back, I think. What was it? It looks fairly nice. Oh, it's a lot of miles. 156,000 miles. Yeah, it's a lot of miles. It has offer run drive though, so oops. What did I do? Huh. Yeah, I think it's something. Oh, I changed the vehicle. If you start to the right. Wow. This is a good 2015 with 44,000 miles. I mean, this is guaranteed this is gonna go pretty high, but you never know. You never know. These vehicles go pretty cheap. People just didn't look at them or are not interested in this. But yeah, lane A in 19. So, oh, see, right now it's at $10,000. Yeah, so that's pretty high. Pretty look at whoever bids, you make sure. So they have the advantage. They're a little bit more sure on what they want and how much they're willing to pay for it. So they have the advantage. If you don't go look at them, you don't really know what you're buying, and you run a lot more risk on all that. So they tell you the prices, they tell you how much time before it starts getting into the auction. It tells you a little bit of the information, pictures. But yeah, it's pretty simple. You just gotta wait for the turn and bid on the car that you want. Set a budget and make sure you know how much you're willing to spend, and set a limit. Basically, just don't go over it, because I've gotten excited on some cars and I've kept bidding when I shouldn't. Thankfully I didn't win it, and the person won, but I could have ended up with a piano, or at least something that wasn't as valuable as I would have spent on it. Yeah, like you see, there's many cars this weekend. There's about 350 cars, I think, if you add all 3 lanes. Um, yeah, I think I saw 350. So you want to leave auction A? I'm in Austin, Texas, so yeah, that's my location. Oh shoot, I'm clicking no. Yes. Yeah, so 141, 136, and 47. So that's 330, something like that. And then in San Antonio they have some more, and that's just like a 45-minute drive. So at Dallas is like another 2-hour drive. So all around my area, there's a lot of auctions happening at the same time. I only go to the one in Austin because it's pretty close by and you can look at the cars. I didn't go this weekend, so I'm not really buying anything. I was just trying to show you guys how this works. And yeah, pretty much just make your account. If you don't put a deposit on it, you can bid up to $1,000 on any vehicle. But if you do put a deposit on your account, you can bid. Basically, if you put $1,000, I'm sorry. If you put $100, it's basically like giving you credit for $1,000 purchase. If you put $300, it's giving you credit for a $3,000 purchase. So they just want to like make sure that you're not gonna back out on your deal, because then you also have to pay like a fee for canceling your bid or something. It's a little complicated. I can add some video trying to explain everything. You just gotta go to the website. They have everything on the instructions and like common questions asked. But yeah, this is a little short video I wanted to make just to explain kind of how everything works. You can put your watch list on all the cars that you want. You can put some location to see how many auctions are around you. You can put all kinds of stuff. You can find vehicles by the name, by the number, the model, year, even just by address. See if you find a good car that you wanted nearby. Yeah, so if you like this video, just hit a like or button or subscribe. I'm trying to make more videos like this in the future. Hopefully get out to the auction and show you guys how it is to bid on cars like that live. Alright, see you guys in the next one.